So I've just finished washing my hair. I didn't film that today. I did a short and a TikTok video for my wash day today, but I am going to take you through my styling. So to start off with, I'm going to be using this leave-in. It is the Affinity Curlific Moisture Rich leave-in. I've used this on my channel before to blow dry my hair and for just normal styling. I really like this, so I will be applying this first, and then I will be going in with the pressing oil. This is for styling. It's enriched with coconut oil and castor oil. Really good for the hair and does so good for blow drying. So let's get straight into it. So I've sectioned off my hair. I find that it is easier to section it this way, so I leave the middle section out and I do the two front, and then I just leave the back out so that I can start applying. I've taken the top off because it's just so much easier to get the product out. It is a, if you haven't seen my reviews on this before, it is a medium consistency. It's not too thick and it's not too thin, but I find that it does really leave my hair feeling good and it looks moisturized. Look, it's bringing my curls back to life. Well, it is called Curlific, so you know, you would expect it to do that with the curls. Just add a little bit more to the other side. And while I'm applying it, I'm just like lightly finger detangling any tangles that may have appeared while it was in the towel, and then I will just put that section away while I move on to the rest. So I'll let you vibe out to some music while I carry on. Okay, I've finished applying all of the leave-in. I'm now going to go in and just apply the pressing oil. I really love this. Like, it gives my hair such a nice shine, and my hair doesn't feel dry after I blow dried it, which was a problem with the previous heat protector that I used. So this is really good if you're looking for something that won't necessarily weigh your hair down but will keep it moisturized, fluffy and all that good stuff. Then give this a try. We've applied everything. We are now ready for the blow dry section, which is my favorite part. So I have a Dyson blow dryer. I'm going to try my hand at using the concentrated nozzle as well as the comb attachment. So I'm going to use the comb attachment to kind of get it stretched, and then I will go in with the concentrated nozzle to hopefully get a little bit more of a stretch. So let's go, guys.
turning back.
Okay, we are all done. Yeah, that was like hard work, but can you see how straight she is? Like, yeah, I'm in love with her. Okay, I'm in love with her. I'm gonna try and turn around and show you guys the back so you can see just how straight she is, and then we will wrap up this video. Alright, let's see. Let me move forward so hopefully you can see the end of the hair and everything. Oh, I have to look back. Oh, you should have been able to see it. So yeah, that is the end of this video, guys. Let me know what you think of the results in the comments. I know the lighting in this video was not perfect, but it is dark outside and I haven't figured out the best way to do the lighting in this bathroom, but you know, you get the point, you get the message. She is silky, she is soft, and yeah, I mean, if I was to straighten her now, she would just be living her best life. But anyway, leave a comment, let me know what you think, like this video if you did like it, and hopefully subscribe if you are not subscribed, and I will see you in my next one. Take care.